Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Poppo and the live float environment. Open the app and go straight to that channel you will use. Grant camera, microphone, and floating window permissions so the overlay can appear above other apps. Next, locate the live tag ID in channel settings. You will need this exact tag to attach the float. Once done, make sure your account is verified and that version 3.2 or higher is installed. This avoids feature mismatches and runtime errors. You now attach the live float tag to the stream. From floating widgets, select live float, then paste the live tag ID you collected. This ties the overlay to the channel. Adjust size and screen position. Use 0.5 scale for compact overlays and 16:9 alignment for video. Then configure audio routing and bitrate to match your network. Lower bitrate if you see lag. Finally, set auto hide timing so the float won't obstruct critical UI during interaction. You finish by running a short test. Start the live float for 30 to 60 seconds and monitor latency and sync. If the overlay never appears, recheck the tag ID and confirm floating window permission. These are the two most common failures. If problems persist, restart Poppo and clear the app cache, then retest. One key troubleshooting tip: capture any error code or log output before retrying. That makes support and resolution far faster when you escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.